Hey guys, it's Ida. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly maintain your Studio Techilo tape ends. So whether they're new or old, these tips will help keep them looking and feeling their best. Let's get started. If you're experiencing some matting or detangling issues with your curly extensions, which is totally normal, you want to first start off by lightly separating each section with your hands before you co-wash. This step is key to dealing with matting with any type of extensions. In cases like this where matting can be an issue, a co-wash is going to always be preferred. Shampoo can actually strip the natural oils and moisture from your hair strands, and that leaves them dry and more prone to breakage, especially when trying to detangle. When co-washing, you want to completely rinse and saturate the hair shaft with conditioner, bypassing just the tape. The reason we do not want to overgive in the area with the tape is because it can affect the longevity of your install. However, remember ladies, the integrity of your hair is always most important. Okay, so detangle is the name of this game, ladies. Make sure to detangle the whole entire hair shaft, section by section, starting from the ends and working your way up to the top. After you completely detangled your hair, which you'll know when you're able to run the brush through the entire hair shaft without it stopping, only then can you go ahead and shampoo and condition your hair as normal, making sure to shampoo it in a downward position without overly manipulating the hair in the process. Also, remember on average, you lose about 50 to 100 hairs a day. So you want to multiply that times how many days you haven't detangled your hair in between washes. So what you see here is completely normal. For the styling process, we're going to use Eco Styling Gel along with Nairobi Foam. For more movement and a bigger look, we suggest using more of Nairobi foam. If you want a more tamed, elongated look, we suggest using Eco Styling Gel. A mix works best for my client, but my curly girls know what works for one may not work for another. My client wants a more tamed look, so we're gonna put her under the dryer so it can kind of set in place. For the clients who like a bigger look, you can just let it air dry, and that way it can expand and give you that messy look. So this is the detangling process to use when your hair is out and exposed between any type of install, whether it be microlinks, eye-tips, or tape-ins. And remember, ladies, every detail is going to matter in the detangling process when experiencing matting and tangling. Hope you guys enjoyed walking through this process with me. For more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below and let us know what you want to see more of. Thanks for watching.